Hi, I'm photographer David Flores, and today I'm hanging out with my pals from B&H at Frames Bowling Alley with the brand new Sony A7 Mark III. Now the A7 III is what Sony describes as their basic entry-level full-frame model, but it's really anything but basic. There's a full suite of professional photographic and video features built into the camera. We're going to put it through its paces today and check it out. So under the hood of the A7 III is a brand new 24 megapixel backside illuminated sensor. And that resolution is important. It represents the perfect balance for creating a detailed, high resolution image, while also giving you plenty of opportunity to shoot at higher ISOs if you're shooting in a lower light or a mixed light situation. A lot of the setups that we had today were just using the light that was in the room. We didn't add any lighting for our photo and for our video. We were able to pick up great highlight detail, see into some nice shadow detail, create some fun portraits, some great documentary style shots. So one of my favorite things about the camera is the autofocus system. The A7 III, it's really like a baby A9. It uses both contrast and phase detection autofocus to give you accuracy and speed. So whether you're using single point autofocus for portraits or you're using continuous autofocus for tracking moving subjects, the A7 III performs well above what any basic entry-level camera should. There are so many filmmakers and creative moving image artists that are using Sony products. The A7 III doesn't disappoint. In HD, it can shoot up to 120 frames per second for super cinematic slow motion. There's even UHD 4K with HLG and S-Log Gamma. So if you're the type of filmmaker that's into slow motion cinematography, the in-camera image stabilization can also be very helpful for handheld sweeping movements. The body's been updated with many ergonomic improvements. There's an autofocus joystick, dual SD card slots, USB-C, touchscreen, and weather sealing for shooting in harsh environments. Mirrorless cameras historically have not had the best battery life. Well, the A7 III borrows the same battery from the A9, giving you longer shooting times in both photo and video. Well, I had a fantastic time playing with the A7 III today. The image quality and the overall handling of the camera were incredibly impressive, far above what you'd find in a basic entry-level camera. If you're a photographer or a filmmaker looking for an entry into full-frame image making, the A7 III is a highly compelling choice. For more on the Sony A7 III, photography, and all things imaging, visit B&H. I'm photographer David Flores. See you next time.